The Pistol River in Curry County, Oregon, which I sometimes refer to as the Anti-Columbia, is kind of a thing of interest here because it's one of those rivers that, I suppose because of its small size, has kind of a shifting estuary. It's been said that its geomorphology is that of a basically a blind estuary, which basically means sometimes it's said to actually landlock itself. I don't know if any of these images suggest a pure landlock, but it's also said that weather and erosion sometimes causes the estuary to shift, like from one side to another, almost by as much as a mile. Normally, the images I've seen of the Pistol River was when it was like
morphing of the Pistol River
to the north by maybe almost a mile, and I've seen some historical images where the estuary actually shifted almost the same distance in the opposite direction. The occasionally beach-locked body of water that's kind of between basically where the beach line borders the vegetation line, I believe is called a billabong when neither streams are flowing into it, and that is something that happens when segments of a stream get separated, and it appears that it's still such that over the seasons the rivers connect, and I can see where the moving streams are might be contributing groundwater to each other. But anyway, when a segment like that is separated as it appears to be, that is called a billabong. Well, folks, it looks like the river and the beachhead it interacts with are an even match. No, Mav, it is not a good idea. Sorry, Goose, but it's time to buzz the lawnmower. Beep, bing, bleep of a bleep.
No! Three, two, one, go! Well, it soared. Huh?